I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Alright, my good people, and welcome back to Reality Latest Gist, your number one channel for reality news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country wey be Nigeria. And as usual, we don come with breaking news. The koko now be say an association of Edo professionals within our nation Nigeria and the diaspora, they don come outside now, they call for calm. They don come outside now, they call for respect for the rule of law for inside Edo State. Now, for inside one statement like that, where the General Secretary, Mr. Nelson Welbert, and the President of the association, will be Mr. Nuhu Yakubu, then drop, they come dey express their concern over the escalating situation, particularly the matter of the Edo State Election Petition Tribunal and the sacking of the 18 local government area chairperson. They come dey sama warning, say the ongoing unrest e fit destabilize governance and e fit harm innocent citizens. So, according to how dis men take yarn for inside the statement, my good people, they say they are deeply worried about the growing uncertainty for inside Edo State, especially in the recent weeks. The violent clashes now between political thugs are very much unacceptable, and the only way to de-escalate the situation na through the speedy dispensation of justice. The only way to calm down the crisis, the only way to make sure say violence no true break out for inside Edo State, na for judges to sharp do the needful, make dem do justice to everything wey dey sup for inside Edo State. And the group come still dey yarn for inside their statement say they commend the decision of the Edo State Election Petition Tribunal to relocate to Abuja. So that decision, it makes sense well, given the threat to law and order for inside Benin City. Based on say jaguda men now don dey try to do pass theirself. They go get mind, they go cause kasala for where the tribunal dey do their proceedings. E come back see if men no true want make the tribunal hold, men no true want make dem get to the truth of the Edo State governorship election wey happen for the 21st day of September for inside the year 2024. So last the tribunal come move from Edo State Benin City come go plaster for inside Abuja. The group come still dey yarn for inside their statement, say why they trust the judiciary to act impartially, why they trust the judiciary not to be biased, make wayo no go come board. They urge all parties make dem respect the legal process and make dem allow justice to be served without interference. Make somebody now no come go put body dey claim say do you know who I be, do you know who I no be, all those kind of levels there, it no make sense at all. Those kind of things, they disrupt democracy and they disrupt rule of law. And normally, nobody, no group, they above the law. And you see this association of Edo professionals waiting for inside we nation Nigeria and the diaspora, they no stop there. They still proceed further, they condemn the role of non-state actors in causing violence and disrupting peace. They now they yarn, say political parties, they no try at all. They no fit calm down their supporters. Their supporters now don't go, they cause kasala for many places. They bring violence, they come Edo State. And normally, Edo State people know they like violence before. So now they call on law enforcement agencies, make them remain steadfast, make them plaster, and make them no succumb to intimidation. Make them not let the streets now come they intimidate them. Instead, and then supposed to control the streets. And the group consider and say it don't make sense. It's very much disturbing. Say those men now where they disrupt electoral processes, those men where they harass law enforcement officers and where they violate public order, they appear to they enjoy the backing of politicians. Based on say politicians now they support them, you come back see if they enjoy them. You can't give them the morale, the more momentum to they do the jaguda business what they do. So political leaders must call their followers, must call their supporters to order and make them stop overheating the polity. Because governance last is not just about power struggle. It is about ensuring the welfare of the general public. And all of us know very well say democracy, they teach us for school. Democracy now government of the people, for the people, and by the people. Still on the statement with the association then drop, they say the recent public display of disrespect towards security operatives is very much alarming. So they urge law enforcement officers, make them enforce the law without fear or favor. Make the law enforcement agency know the reason say, oh my man, now this man not buy me motor, na dis man na dey take care of me. If I go against am now, if he come kuma remove hand for my lifestyle, all those kind of levels dem. No, e no suppose to be like that. So now dem now wey be the organization dey urge the Edo State government say make dem take immediate steps to restore peace, because last if dis political instability continue, if dis crisis continue for inside Edo State, the thing go pursue investors and the thing go slow down economic development. And when dis kind of levels now don dey happen, last na the country people na go feel am pass. Dey come dey yarn say the governor no do well, the governor no perform. But na dem by their self na im cause am. Na dem go dey send their supporters to go dey cause violence for here and there. Now which person wey wan come invest for where violence dey happen? Which person now wey go come put money for area wey be say e no trust the area, e no sure say the thing go make sense? Which person? Nobody go try am. So e good make we maintain peace and order for inside Edo State, and not just Edo State. E good make we maintain peace and order for everywhere around the world, so that men now go see the need to put body, men now go see the need to invest in things and things wey dem normally suppose to invest, wey go benefit the general public. And regarding the ongoing local government crisis, the association now come dey sama warning against actions wey go escalate the conflict. Dem now come dey yarn say governance at the grassroots levels should not be sacrificed for political gains. So dem come dey appeal to traditional rulers and religious leaders say make dem lend their voices, make dem put mouth for the matter in promoting peace, and make dem remind dem of their responsibility in fostering unity. Now, anyhow dis informate be for body my good people, or if you get contributions about this very particular topic, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. But meanwhile, me still get another reality latest wey dey my table like this one I need share give the general public. And the koko be say, the Edo State government they don order the immediate closure of all satellite campuses of the Wàhàla University, Ekpoma. For inside one statement like that wey carry the date 11th day of February 2025, and this statement was signed by the secretary to the state government. The government now don drop directive say make all programs and courses dey conducted solely at the university's main campus for inside Ekpoma, and is a must. According to how dem take yarn for inside the statement, he say in line with Governor Monday Okpebholo's commitment to raising the standard of Wàhàla University and the significant investment of the government in the institution, all satellite campuses wey dey operate outside the main campus are hereby shut down with immediate effect. And the statement still dey let us know say the governing council and management of the university has been directed to comply with the new policy. So this my good people, now the information wey I wan share give the general public. Now anyhow this one be you for body, or if you get contributions about this very particular topic, feel free make you still drop am inside our comment section. Now we be reality latest gist. Now we dey like give una reality news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country wey be Nigeria. So if you like this update and you go like to dey receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring more reality latest dey come your way, na you go first receive the update and you go even get am sharp. I dey come your side again with another news for you my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.